Okay, this is now. And I come inside. This is the name, Kiara. And then, sila the electric. And the table. And the chair. And my charger and you. Okay. You can sit here until there. And this is for the cold water. And charan! We're still painting. And yeah. Okay, we come another side. Yeah, we come there, guys. So this is the windows glass for inside. You can see also. So we can turn here, and you can sit here or sun beating. So yeah, so this is for we are Jira Jira. Okay. This is the plug. And this is you if you want to sunbathing here. You can sit here. And also the Sopra. Charan! Okay. And then here, and you can walking here, Jira Jira, and they're inside. Jira Jira tayo. Okay. This inside. Papinting and riding. My bag. I'll go to compensation. Kitchen. And then go outside here. Okay. And I'm still outside. And yeah. We just here now. Welcome on board. Okay, this is the bed. Kitchen again. Riding. Outside. The one bed there and the one bed there. And this is banyo. And the one bed there, and this is one bed, and this is one bed. Okay. Ciao. Papa busy for now. So I cannot come there. And this is the Bella Barca, the Rosa Barca. Charan! Oh, diba?